Halo semuanya, selamat datang di Bahasa Indonesia dalam 4 menit. Welcome to Indonesian language in 4 minutes. Mari mulai. Let's start. Comparative degree. In previous lesson, we have learned equality in adjectives. Now we are going to learn comparative degree. Lebih plus adjective plus daripada means more than. Istrinya lebih tua daripada dia. Istrinya lebih tua dari dia. His wife is older than him. Lebih tua, older. Kayu ini lebih kuat daripada besi. Kayu ini lebih kuat daripada besi. This wood is stronger than iron. Di Bogor lebih dingin daripada di Jakarta. Di Bogor lebih dingin daripada di Jakarta. Now it's your turn to translate it. Right. Bogor is colder than Jakarta. 2. Kurang plus adjective plus dari. Ia menerima kurang dari 75.000 tiap bulan. Menerima means receive. He receives less than 75,000 every month. Kain ini kurang kuat dari plastik. Kain ini kurang kuat dari plastik. This cloth is weaker than plastic. Saya pikir kamar ini kurang besar dari kamar saya. I think this room is smaller than my room. Gedung ini kurang tinggi dari Bank Indonesia. So it is your turn to translate it. Right. This building is smaller than Bank Indonesia. So when you are talking about kurang tinggi atau kurang besar, it means both of them are tall or both of them are small or both of them are big. So the one that you are talking about might be a little smaller. So you will use kurang dari. So in next lesson, we are going to talk about superlative degree. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have learned something. And if you want to receive more videos from our channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Happy study! See you in next lesson. Bye!